Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal, and in this video we are going to factor the quadratic expression x square minus 13x plus 27. So let's start with today's video solution. So there is no straightforward factorization. So we are going to use quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So x is equals to minus 13 plus minus under root minus 13 square minus 4 times 1 times 27 by 2 times 1. So 13 plus minus under root minus 13 square is 169 minus 108 by 2. Now x is equals to 13 plus minus under root 61 by 2. So the solutions are x1 is 13 plus root 61 by 2 and x2 is 13 minus root 61 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.